I'm gonna introduce my piano to you. So this is the keyboard. It's with 61 keys. So this is the lowest, and this is the highest, and this is the volume. As you can see, it's only 15, and if you get slow, it's gonna reach to 0. I'm gonna okay, so with sustain, I sustain on. So ganyan po siya tunog. Tapos pag wala po siyang sustain,